Hey there, and welcome to the Private Jet Flight Attendant Hub. You guys asked some phenomenal questions, so today I am here to answer. Now, previously I have mentioned that you should always pack a suitcase, even if you're just going for one day. Even if you just think, oh, well, this is just, an hour flight out, an hour flight back. You never know what is going to happen on that trip and what it is that you're going to need. That trip can have maintenance or cancel, coming back, or say the passengers say, hey, we want to stay longer. So whether you are packing for one day, a week, or several weeks, I'm just going to show you today what it is that I pack in my bag no matter what for every single trip. I usually like to pack all my pants together, some sweaters together, and all my shirts. So I always keep a pair of leggings, something comfortable. I might even carry a couple pairs of these. I will use these to either go work out, or if I'm just eating breakfast in the morning and want to walk down to the restaurant and still look a little put together, I always keep a couple pair of leggings. Gotta love a skinny jean. Now these, I love that they don't have any kind of buckles or any kind of zippers. They just slide right on, so they're super comfortable, and these go with everything. When you guys pack, I want you to think about being able to mix and match things. I want you to be able to mix your cold stuff with your warm stuff and pack things that will go with just about everything. I do keep a pair of capris in case it's, not shorts weather, but I don't want to be in full pants, so I will carry a pair of capris. For my uniform, I prefer to wear a skirt, but I do always bring a uniform pair of pants just in case, I'm feeling a little bit different that day and hey, I want to wear a pair of pants, but I will also keep an extra skirt as well. Shorts. Now, where I'm going this trip, it's not exactly shorts weather, but you never know where this trip could take you, so be sure to pack shorts. Here is my comfy pair of kind of sweats. They're very light, but again, just something that I can lounge around in. I do love to keep a pullover. This one's also like a sweat wicking, kind of golf type of pullover. So it is still kind of classy. It doesn't say like, oh man, you're just here in your sweatpants, So I do try to keep some of my classier, nicer pullovers with me. I have this jacket. It can be a little bit dressier. It's kind of a puffy front, but then it's got the really nice sleeves. This I can dress up or wear with just about anything. I like to keep several options for my shirt, for my uniform. So this one is a long sleeve black. You can never go wrong with black, but I can wear this on the airplane as part of my uniform, or I can just wear this out and about. I always bring some kind of dress. This one is kind of a knee-length dress. You never know what it is that you are going to need a little black dress for. A swimsuit. So I don't care if you are going to the Arctic. Pack a swimsuit because you never know if your plans are going to change and hey, you're ending up in the tropics and you need your swimsuit to go along. For my tops, I do try to keep a little bit of variety of different styles because I never know what I'm going to be doing next. Here is a dressy black sleeveless shirt. And you can tell there's a theme. Black goes with everything. This is a black tunic long sleeve. I have ordered this in several other colors. It's perfect for wearing over either the leggings that I have or the skinny jeans, and it can go with boots or any kind of shoes that I have. Here is another hoodie or pullover. This one has lacy sleeves. Just a standard black, comfy, long sleeve shirt. You gotta have a little fun with your wardrobe. I know I'm partial to black, but I do love a good animal print. A purple long sleeve. This is one of my favorite shirts to wear for work. So I usually try to keep this one just for my uniform, just for the airplane. So it's a raglan cap sleeve shirt. I also have this in light pink. I wish they made this in more colors, but I gotta find more of this because this is my absolutely favorite kind of thing to wear on the airplane. Another uniform type shirt is this long sleeve black sparkle shirt. And then in case I need to get a little sporty, here is a golf style polo. And then no matter what, I always carry my tennis shoes because I never know if I'm gonna want to work out or if I'm just going out and need to run some errands. Gotta have some comfy shoes. And like I said, it doesn't matter if you are going to the Arctic or the tropics, always carry a pair of flip-flops. I'm not gonna show you bras, underwear, socks, You can pack your own, use your imagination. But anyways, one thing I always like to keep are these little slipper booties. So when I am traveling in the winter and it's a little cold in my room, then I will put on my slipper booties. And don't forget PJs, something to actually wear to bed. Now there's a debate out there. Some people say, should I stack? Should I roll? Should I fold? What should I do with my clothes? There's no one way that is absolutely right. You find what works for you. Now I used to roll all my clothes forever. My husband, he folds everything and stacks it up, but I've kind of taken a little bit of a twist on that. I will set everything out on the bed and stack it up, and then I actually turn it and stand it up in my suitcase so that I can see everything from the top, what it is that I have, that it's easy to grab instead of having to dig through when I have rolled everything. Now for him, when he stacks everything, he's able just to lift up and see what it is that he has. But I want you to decide for yourself what works best for you, but just letting you know that there are a couple options. Now with all this, it's a pretty full suitcase, but would you believe that I actually bring my pillow everywhere I go, and it is actually going to fit and zip up in this bag. My husband's pillow is even bigger and he's able to fit it in his. So this has a little bit of memory foam, so I'm able to squish it down into the bag and bring a pillow with me everywhere. Now one thing you notice, this is a satin pillowcase. All my pillowcases are satin. It's easier on your hair and it's easier on your face. And besides, carrying your own pillow is far better than sleeping on those hotel pillows. Some of them are too firm, way too flat, or nowhere in between. It's gonna fit, I promise. Voila! Now, one thing I forgot to tell you that I also keep in here is my deodorant and hair straightener. So the reason that I have this little hook is to attach my day bag, and then I'll put my lunch box on top and roll everything with just one hand, and it leaves my other hand empty. So that is how it's possible to bring all that stuff with you and have the comforts of home. Happy packing, guys.